This app is called Homerow. It's $50 and it's basically the only app out there that can give you a keyboard shortcut for everything, literally. You press one shortcut and every single button on your screen gets a little letter on it. You type the letters and boom, it clicks. No mouse at all. So instead of just trying to mess around with it, trying to figure out if it's actually useful, we're gonna play a little game. I had Claude draft up 10 challenges. There's a file I have to find that's hidden like 50 folders deep. I gotta get a mouse trap into an Amazon cart. At some point, I have to go into Wikipedia links looking for cheese. Every challenge has a timer. If I touch my mouse, I fail that challenge. And if I pass 7 out of 10, I have to buy the app. If I can't, it's getting uninstalled. Simple as that. Alrighty, so let's get started with the download. So this app is called Homerow. I believe it is free to try, so let's give it a shot. Open the DMG, drag, drop, and then open Homerow. Open, grant permissions, boom, enter password. Let's see here, theme, we'll just leave that the way it is. Blah, 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 blah. All right, so what is the actual keyboard shortcut for this? Shift, command, space. I think I'm gonna change this to control space, just so it's a little bit easier. All right, now if I press it, we've got all of these letters everywhere. All right. So instead of just trying to mess around with the app and try and figure out how it works and whether or not it's actually useful, I decided we're going to play a little game. So I had Claude draft up a few different challenges to go through. And the whole goal here is to literally just attempt to do every single challenge without using my mouse at all. So let's go ahead and get started. So it looks like the first challenge is opening YouTube Music and playing Another One Bites the Dust. Should be pretty simple. All right, let's begin with the first challenge. So we got 3 minutes. I'm gonna start the timer, activate. So we press, it looks like AE, turn it on again. Oh, I guess we don't even need to. Oh man, what happened? SG, and then YouTube Music, enter. We go DH, activate. Then we go DL, Another One Bites the Dust. Open FP. Okay, boom. So that is the first challenge done. Boom. All right, we've passed this one. That actually wasn't too bad. We have passed. All right, the second challenge, redecorate. Change the wallpaper and switch to dark mode. I'm already using dark mode, so I guess we'll do light mode. And I could cheat a little bit and use raycast, because I'm pretty sure I could just, I could probably do it in there. But I think that's cheating. So I'll open system settings that way. That's as far as I'll go. Wallpaper and light mode. Let us begin. So let's open system settings, activate. Is it under, okay. It's under wallpaper. So AW, activate again, and then let's do FF. That is a wallpaper changed. Okay, excellent. Now let's open system settings again. Open, all right. Where even is dark mode? Displays maybe? AL? No, okay. Maybe appearance? Man, how do I scroll? Is it Command Shift J? Yeah, okay. Where is light mode? All right, I'm gonna have to search it. What? Light mode. Technically I did it, kind of cheated, but whatever. We'll count it. That one was a bit tricky because I don't even know where it is in system settings. Much better. Okay, we'll count that as a pass. We'll move on. All right, third challenge, the archives. Find the mouse's last will in the maze. Read the code word aloud. Beware, decoys. I'm assuming that it would be in that folder to top right, gauntlet, but I haven't opened it yet, so I'm not too sure. Okay, let's see how this goes. Start the timer, minimize. Oh man, how do I even, it won't let me activate it. I guess I have to technically use the mouse once so far. Okay, G, boom. So probably the archives one. Do not open. That's kind of bizarre. Old Mac projects, what the hell? Maybe DD, DA. Enter, old draft 2. What the? DA, enter. Not this one. God damn it. Okay, so now I have to go back. Maybe DE. Maybe it's under old Mac. Enter. Let's see here. DF. Enter. But there's nothing in there. Okay, let's go back to old Mac. Then maybe... Man, Claude did a good job hiding these. Holy... Whoops. DW. Let's see here. Maybe tax stuff. Enter. Backup of backup. Definitely empty. To do old.txt. Sort this folder. Okay, that's clearly not it. Oh my goodness. This is actually a real challenge here. Enter. DA. Final. DA. God damn it. This is actually so tricky. DW. Oh man, God. Oh my goodness, I cannot find it. I am getting faster though. I'm getting used to the commands. I, the mouse, being of sound sensor and failing scroll wheel, leave everything to keyboard. It never moved, and yet it went further than I ever did. To prove you found me, read this code word aloud. Ergonomic grief. Then close this file and never come back. Understood. No way that was that short. I don't believe that. But we passed. Excellent. Kablamo. Okie dokie. Challenge number 4. Alright, so I have to find 5 fitting songs for my dead mouse by creating a playlist on YouTube Music. Okay, this is going to be tricky. I don't even have any songs in mind yet, but let's start the timer. Let's go to YouTube Music. God damn it, I got a reminder to purchase and that messed me up. Where are all my commands? I don't understand. Hello? It's not even on the website. Maybe I had to reload? Oh yeah, I wasn't even focused on Brave. Okay, we've lost some crucial time, but we're here. Alright, let's think about this. Maybe Stairway to Heaven? How do I make a playlist? Maybe FG, save to playlist, so KH. Did that do anything though? I don't know. Okay, I saved it to a playlist, so that's fine. What else here? Let's try The Unforgiven. Alright, FGKM, save to playlist. Okay, what else we got here? Funeral songs? Amazing Grace? Hallelujah? Oh man, I didn't want to play that song, but we'll go JF, LG, boom, that's another one. Okay, let's see here. JJ, I do not want you to play. Okay, now I gotta find the button here. Maybe JP, boom, okay. We're moving along. FW, no way. So you're telling me this whole time I haven't even been saving to a playlist? Okay, I gotta cheat. I need to see if I even have a playlist going here. No way. So you're telling me that whole time I didn't even have a playlist? Are you serious? Okay. Alright, well we're gonna have to restart. Let's see here. So first I have to make a new playlist. So let's go like that. Dead Mouse Funeral Songs. Create. Kablamo. Now, open this. EM. No. Come on now. Maybe I have to scroll. Apathy. That might be a good one. EK. Excellent. Maybe I could just refresh and find some more. Ooh. I don't know many of these songs, but maybe I gotta take a listen here. Alright, that will do. JL. Okay, now we got 2. WD. The fall off is inevitable. That's actually a good song for this. Kind of surprised. Wasn't expecting no J. Cole in here. Alright. WE. What else we got? Tony Anderson. I've never heard this before. Oh yeah, I know that song. That fits the vibe just fine. Oops, that was the wrong one. Okay. CA. Boom. So what are we at now? We're at 4. So let's refresh again. Okay, well, whatever buttons I pressed accidentally ended my recording. So let's try this again. Open this up. Boom. WM. Refresh. I don't know. I've never heard these before. Perfect song. Alright, so we go like this. KG. Boom. We got 5. Alright. MK. There's no way I did that under 5 minutes. Or 6 minutes. Sorry. Yeah, there's just no way. I don't know if Claude's timer here is working very well. Honestly, I don't know how long that took. So I guess we'll just say it was a pass. Since there's 3 minutes left here. Oh well. Retail therapy. Get a classic wooded mousetrap into the cart. Buy nothing. I wasn't gonna buy it anyway, but this is an interesting challenge. Okie dokie. So let's open an incognito browser because I don't want my Amazon shopping history on my video. So let's hit the shortcut. Oh no, gotta focus Brave first. Boom. Okay. AH. Mouse trap. Okay, now I gotta scroll, which is Command Shift J. Let's see here. Gotta be like the classic wood one. Oh, boom, it's right there. Okay. Control space. DH. Boom, in the cart. Excellent. That is a challenge completed. God damn it, man. I didn't even start the timer, but I definitely did that under 5 minutes, so we'll pass that one. The Wikipedia game. We gotta go from QWERTY to cheese by only using the article links. Oh man, that's gonna be real tricky. How am I even gonna... Man, okay, start the timer, I guess. QWERTY, Wikipedia, FF, scroll. Is there no way to do this faster? Okay, let's see here. External links, maybe? What would be a good link to go from here, though? Bully for Brontosaurus? Yeah, right. Maybe natural history? I don't know. Let's try it, I guess. WJ, that didn't do anything. WK, okay. Now we scroll to the very bottom. We have to get into some sort of food section, but how would I even do that? North Carolina, maybe? Are they known for cheese? Let's find out. Humid subtropical climate. That could lead us somewhere. Let's try it. All right. Oh boy. Europe. Oh, this might work. Northern Italy. Oh boy. We're getting somewhere now. Gotta scroll. Culture. Oh my god. Do I have to go to just cheese? Or just Parmesan? No way. Balsamic vinegar? That is not what I wanted. Okay, let's try this again. Dude, you gotta be joking me. The one cheese is hidden. Gonna cheat, move the mouse so that it stops hovering over Parmesan cheese. Boom. I technically found cheese, but I feel like I gotta find the actual cheese Wikipedia. List of Italian cheeses? That might work. Oh boy. Cheese? Is that it? EP? Oh my goodness, we did it. Holy, that was a challenge. Oh boy. Okay, this timer definitely not working. I definitely did not pass this one, unfortunately. Drag and drop 3 files into their 3 folders. Okay, so we have to go back into the folder, enter. Okay, let's see. Go into this one. I have to move the vacation image into the image folder. Okay, I see. So if I go like that, copy it, I guess, and then go into images, paste. God damn it. Okay, I have to go inside the folder, then paste. Then I have to return. Okay, it's in there. Even though I didn't directly move the original, there's no cut and paste, as far as I'm aware, in Finder. So let's try the next one. Let's move this. Whoops, god damn it. Okay, DD, copy, DL, enter, paste. Okay, let's go back to the original folder. Okay, now I gotta move the PDF into the PDFs folder. DJ, copy, then DK, enter, paste. Okay, boom. That one wasn't too challenging. Awesome. All right, challenge number 8, chess. Using the built-in chess app, make 1 legal move. Okay, start the timer. Open chess. All right, so let's go JK to FF. Oh, boom. Too easy. Okay, boom. Too easy. Time. Art class. Preview markup on canvas. Draw a recognizable mouse and sign it. That's not even possible, is it? Oh man, this is gonna be real tricky. Okay, now I gotta open the gauntlet. I have to preview the canvas. All right, now I gotta draw. But how would I even? Yeah, this challenge isn't even possible. So unfortunately, I can't pass that one. That is rather unfortunate. I don't even know if that really counts as a fail. Like, come on now. So what I have to do is go online and find a photo of a mouse, download it, then I have to crop it, put it into this thing that Claude wants me to do, then we're gonna figure it out from there. So start the timer, get started. New tab, mouse. Then we have to go to images. So boom, gonna have to scroll here, open it back up. Boom. Man, I don't even know how do you even download without right clicking? Okay, if I hold shift, that's a right click. So shift JW. Okay, here we go. DC, save. Okay, now I have to, like that, copy. Then I have to open up the gauntlet. Okay. Oh wait, no, I gotta crop the image first. Damn it. Okay. Well, like that. Preview. What is the crop button here? This one? No. What? Oh, because it's a web page. That's why. Oh. Okay, well, I've definitely already lost this challenge. So let's go here. This is definitely not accurate. That did not take me 10 seconds or 3 minutes or whatever. So because I passed 7 challenges, I'm supposed to buy it. But to be entirely honest with you, I don't think I'm going to. Simply because although it's a fun app, it's not something I'm going to see myself actually using very often. I think it could be interesting because I think that you could probably script a lot of things with it, but I have no use case for it. Like, it's a cool app, don't get me wrong, but I mean, I've got a mouse for a reason, you know what I mean? Badoink.